So you want to grow up to be a Subaru mechanic? Here is all you need to know. This will fix 98% of your Subaru problems. This is the other 2% where you got to take the engine out. All right, we're working on a $300 Subaru Ute, as you can see. Yep. Not converted by us.
Cut in half by some other guy.
I suppose we're doing all right because there's still a bunch of snow in the bed, and we've got one of the heads off of it so far, but we yanked the motor. It might even still be a little warm. Is it still a little warm?
Lukewarm.
Not a whole lot. Anyways, we've got the motor out. This thing.
Rat's nest in it.
So this is what it looks like when you use K-Seal and Blue Devil, because you've got a blown head gasket.
Blue Devil and K-Seal will mix, but it'll make this nice crunchy texture. It'll keep you head gasketless for at least 17 hours of rev bomb, by the way.
So this is an exercise in how not to do things.
Yes. Do not do what we do. It will blow your Subaru up.
This is for experimentation purposes only, but check out this engine block. Let me grab that screwdriver from you.
Ready in that end too?
Yeah, you should look at it. So let's see here. Cody, I'll let you pry on it.
No, I'll catch it. You scrape it.
Okay, we're into the second side.
Just got it off.
And there you go.
K-Seal, Blue Devil, and a whole bunch of others. Mechanic in a bottle. That's what it'll get you. You'll drive. You'll drive.
So we'll get this one
a good goo cleaner
cleaned out, and we're gonna run a granite block with some maybe 1200 grit paper across these to try and polish them up a little bit.
You might need an auger, an ice auger.
Maybe we'll start with 50 grit. I don't know. We'll see. So here it is, swinging around. The heads are bolted back on. We did a lot of cleaning of things. We used a granite block and some 1200 grit to clean up the surfaces. And then we used the ridiculous torque spec procedure for the head bolts, which we did not replace.
That's stupid as dumb.
So step 1, 22 foot-pounds. Step 2, 51 foot-pounds. Step 3, loosen all bolts 180 degrees, reverse order of tightening. Step 4, loosen all bolts an additional 180 degrees. Step 5, for bolts 1 and 2 only, 25 foot-pounds. Step 6, bolts 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 132 inch-pounds. Step 7, tighten all bolts an additional 80 to 90 degrees. Step 8, tighten all bolts an additional 80 to 90 degrees. We followed that to the T. So we're ready to put it back in. You're gonna have to watch this close because we're gonna swing it.
Right.
Oh, there we go. I think it landed. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah, that snugged right in there. Awesome. Okay, so we got a couple things to hook up, and then, get the AC compressor in there. Awesome. All right, we'll hook a couple things up, and then we'll check back with you. All right, it's running just like that. We got a couple things to sort out, like we got a different radiator in here we got to hook up to the overflow. This bad boy is running, and it's about to go home.
Show them the lower class mirror. You got to show them the sticker on the backside.
Look at that repair. Big time.